in an accident, you want to make sure you are being taken care of the right way. That is why Phillips Law Group has teamed up with collision experts to take care of the stress and pressure so you can get back on the road. Olivia with Phillips Law Group and Fernando with Collision Expert is joining me this morning to talk about how you guys are taking care of the community in different ways. But first, let's talk about Phillips Law Group and what you do for the community.
Great. So I'm Olivia. I'm with Phillips Law Group. We've been in the Valley for over 30 years now, helping victims of injury, car accidents get back on their feet and recover their legal rights.
Yeah, and I love that you teamed up with Collision Expert because that's one thing you need, especially when you're in an accident. You've taken care of one part, but then getting the repairs is another part that is very stressful, isn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, when people get into an accident, they can have a limb coming off, and all they're worried about is their means of transportation. So it's good to partner up with Phillips Law Group and help clients that are in a desperate time of need get back on the road and make sure that their cars get fixed correctly and it's safe. So.
Yeah, and that's the thing about it, because again, you're in the accident, as you said, people are worried getting back on the road.
Right.
You're taking care of all the legal stuff. They're taking care of the car, which is very important for a law group to do, because sometimes the law groups just kind of like take care of the court stuff and then that's it.
Exactly. Yeah. For us, it's very important to take care of our clients, same with Fernando and his team. So we don't just stop there. We're full service. We're here for our community and our clients. So it's been really beautiful.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And the foundation is great as well. It's an honor for me to be able to support such an incredible cause. What they do for the community is like unparalleled and really unmatched. They put a lot of effort and a lot of energy into giving back. And, philanthropy is a big part of what we do. And so it's an honor for me to be here today with Olivia, and it's an honor for me to partner up with Phillips Law Group and their foundation.
You said something right there. Giving back community is what's so important. That's why you wanted to team up with them, and that's what you guys do. So it's not just taking care of people in the courtroom, it's taking care of them outside the community and the whole community. And there's some different things you guys do, don't you?
Exactly. Yeah. So here in Phoenix, we've been doing Feeding Arizona for years, and what we do is we provide food, haircuts, manicures, facials, makeup, just to love on people who are experiencing homelessness and going through a hard time. And we're very excited to duplicate that effort in Tucson with Collision Experts.
Yeah. So we just opened up a location in Tucson, and in our last meeting we touched on that briefly. We have a pretty sizable parking lot, so we're going to hopefully host an event here soon and help give back to the community. Yeah,
well, you said something very important there. You just got into Tucson. You already want to help the community down there.
Absolutely. That's what we do.
Yeah, and that's, again, why you get teamed up. Let's talk about, of course, the program that you're doing down in Tucson that you do here. What happens and how do people get involved?
So at least twice a month, we're down at New City Church here in Phoenix, and we provide haircuts along with cloud-covered streets. They provide showers for people, fresh clothing. It's a really beautiful partnership. Clothes. Follow us on Instagram. You can see all the dates there when we're there, and we love having volunteers, so the more the merrier.
Yeah, and then that's what we carry down into Tucson,
which
is nice.
Exactly.
And then you guys are a part of that. And again, this is so important to our community, especially as people are going to different things. And they don't have to be pretty much a client of yours, do they?
Not at all.
Not at all. In fact, a lot of people that we help aren't clients. We do it to give. I'd like to say that we're a people company who happens to fix cars. And if we focus on just helping the clients in a time of need, the rest is kind of falls into place. So.
Okay, how can people find out about, again, the community service that you're doing and the event happening down in Tucson?
Absolutely. So follow us on Instagram at Phillips Law Group or at phillipslawfoundation.org or Collision Experts.
Yeah, on Instagram, Collision Experts AZ, and our website is collisionexpertsaz.com.
Perfect. And also, we'll have information on our website, the CW7AZ.com. Head on over there, and I'll give you all the details of the event and other things happening around the valley. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored by Phillips Law Group.